Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the H-1B visa. Everything you need to know. The H-1B visa is one of the most popular visas for highly skilled workers, and it allows people working in fields such as IT engineering, science, and healthcare to live and work in the U.S. for a specific period of time. Now, before we go any further, if you want more immigration news, please subscribe to our channel. We keep you informed on all the latest developments about immigration in Canada, the U.S., Australia, and many other countries. So let's dive in and find out more about this visa. First of all, when was the H-1B program introduced? The H-1B program was first introduced in 1990 under the Immigration Act of 1990. How many visas are issued every year? The U.S. issues around 85,000 new H-1B visas each year. What are the eligibility criteria? Foreign nationals who want to work in the U.S. in a specialty occupation that requires theoretical or technical expertise in a field of science or business and typically requires at least a bachelor's degree or its equivalent, who can apply for an H-1B visa. Typically, only individuals with a bachelor's degree or higher can qualify. Also, they must be working in a specialty occupation, and their employer must file a petition on their behalf. What are the steps to apply for an H-1B visa? As I mentioned earlier, the H-1B application process is entirely dependent on your employer, so you will need to ask your employer to file a petition on your behalf. The petition is submitted to the USCIS, and if approved, the case is sent to the National Visa Center to take the next steps. You will need to pay fees, attend a visa interview at a U.S. consulate in your home country, and then enter the United States. What is the cost of an H-1B visa? The cost of an H-1B visa includes the visa application fee, the government's premium processing fee, the consulate's visa processing fee, and the service fee for your attorney or consultant. The total cost can vary, but expect to pay anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000. How long can you stay in the U.S. on an H-1B visa? The H-1B visa is initially valid for 3 years, and it may be renewed once for another 3 years. With the approval of the petition, the maximum period of stay in the U.S. on an H-1B visa is 6 years. Can you get a green card through the H-1B visa? Yes, you can. After working 3 years on an H-1B visa, you can apply for a green card through your employer. However, due to the large backlog in employment-based green card processing, it can take several more years to obtain a green card. Are there any alternatives to the H-1B visa? If you don't qualify for an H-1B visa, there are other visa options available, such as the O visa for individuals with extraordinary ability, the L visa for intracompany transferees, and the TN visa for Canadian and Mexican citizens. Each visa has its own set of eligibility criteria and requirements. What are some of the challenges faced by H-1B visa holders? One of the biggest challenges is the uncertainty involved in the visa lottery system. Even if you are qualified, you might not be selected. Another challenge is the constant pressure to secure a new H-1B visa sponsorship each year. This uncertainty can make it difficult to plan for the long term. Additionally, there are concerns about the H-1B visa being misused by employers to hire foreign workers at lower wages, potentially displacing American workers. And finally, the backlog in the employment-based green card process can leave individuals in a state of limbo for many years. What are some of the recent updates or changes to the H-1B program? The U.S. government has made some changes to the H-1B program, including increasing the prevailing wage rates and tightening regulations on who qualifies as a specialty occupation. These changes aim to protect American workers and prevent the H-1B visa from being abused by employers. As you can see, the H-1B visa is a very popular program that allows skilled workers to live and work in the United States. It has helped many people advance their careers and contribute their talents to the U.S. economy. Whether you're reconsidering applying for an H-1B visa yourself or just want to better understand the complex world of immigration, hopefully this video gave you some valuable insight. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.